It's one of the best. It's one of the best, man. I want some bass bumping. It's Comet B. Hey, Cole Morgan. See, I'm in organs, but I ain't on stage playing no performance. On stage, the raging the gauges on the back of the brain, telling me I'm going insane. Pull up the meter, the car got me in greet, and I tell him they're high, and I don't see it, I'm by. And then they tell me to cry, but my eyes and then the tears of the fly. So I'm rhyming off scheme and tell them why it's. Hey, but it's the classic. I ain't really had it yet. This is the best. See Morgan Breezy, they put me on their test, tell me to pass, but this ain't the class. Yeah, I put a B on your paper, average, make them, I tell them escalate them. I incline and decline and redefine music as a nuisance. Who's this? Morgan. No organs, no body parts, taking off Mormon. More wives, more time, more lines, less crimes, less lines, less ties, so I pay them off. Less time, less ties in my pocket, 10%, and I ain't got $1 to spend, cause you think that it's me, and I tell them to win situation, your friends escalate and debating on whether or not if you made it. They tell me that I'm an MC, breezy, on E, I say crazy 8, how can you do it, nights, haikus, 7 lines and Ryus and Ryu, spitting Haryukens. Street Fighter movement, you say I'm excluded, I put you in your movement, 2 cents and paid it in with a dime, not fine, but I got a nickel and bag 9, yes I am fine, yes I'm not lying, but I can put you in a tiger cage, put on the rage, got a gauge in the back of my brain, like I said before, I ain't put on the same, but I'm playing the games, video games, so strange, yes I'm doing it, I'm blessed to the testimonies proving it, Morgan Nuisance, Lou Chris told me, see Breezy, I didn't know daisies could be me, I'm so out. Bye.